Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into a whole new level of travel and comfort as we take a deep dive into a 2026 luxury motorhome that truly redefines life on the road. This isn't just transportation, it's a five-star lifestyle on wheels, built for those who want power, prestige, and pure relaxation wherever they roam. From the outside, this motorhome makes a bold first impression. The sleek aerodynamic body, premium metallic paint, and sharp LED lighting give it a commanding presence on the highway. Large panoramic windows wrap the sides, not only enhancing the look but flooding the cabin with natural light. Polished alloy wheels, powered entry steps, step inside, and it instantly feels like a high-end private lounge. Soft leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting create a warm, elegant atmosphere. The living area offers spacious sofas, a smart entertainment system with a large screen, and surround sound for that cinematic experience on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, a modern cooktop, generous counter space, and smart storage solutions. Move toward the bedroom. Under the hood, this 2026 luxury motorhome delivers serious performance. A powerful, smooth-running engine provides confident acceleration and effortless cruising, even on long highways or mountain roads. Advanced suspension technology ensures a stable, comfortable ride, while modern transmission tuning keeps the drive quiet and refined. Despite its size, it feels surprisingly easy to handle, thanks to intelligent driving assistance systems. Now let's talk price. A motorhome at this level is clearly built for the premium segment, with an expected price starting around $350,000, depending on customization and features. While that may sound high, you're getting a luxury residence, advanced technology, and long-distance freedom all in one exceptional package. Safety is taken just as seriously as comfort. The 2026 luxury motorhome comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. A reinforced chassis, multiple airbags, and stability control systems ensure peace of mind for you and your passengers on every journey. To sum it all up, the 2026 luxury motorhome is the perfect blend of power, elegance, and innovation. It's designed for travelers who refuse to compromise, those who want home-level comfort, premium design, and confident performance wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more luxury vehicle content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, travel in style and enjoy every mile.